Now, given how close we are to the appearance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's final signs, I'm certain that we are living in that period where we will soon see these major signs with our own two eyes. Now, given how close we are, can we look at our modern world and gather clues about the nature and appearance of Dabba'tu-min-al-ardh? What could it be? What is a creature from the earth that is a technological creation, has the ability to speak, and can enforce the will of Al-Masih ad-Dajjal on a global scale, and mark billions of people such that they are unable to buy or sell without this mark? Does such a thing even exist? Or is it possible that it could be created? And I believe that the most easy way to answer this question is to just show you. So let's watch this little video together and see what could be the Dabba'tu-min-al-ardh, the beast from the earth.
It actually gets way crazier when you think about the Optimus robot, which is really a humanoid robot that is intended to, be able to do anything you want it to do. To be, it's your companion. It can be at your house. It can sort of babysit your kids.
If you have had a generalized humanoid robot, what would be the effective ratio of humanoid robots to humans? Because I think basically everyone would want one. It's some very big number is what I'm saying. It's all fun and games until Terminator shows up. I think the ratio of humanoid robots to humans will probably be at least 2 to 1, something like that. 1 to 1 for sure, so, which means like somewhere on the order of 10 billion humanoid robots, maybe 20 or 30.
Well, Optimus is intended to be a sort of a fully functional humanoid robot. It'll be capable of doing a wide range of tasks.
Let's say the build rate is, I think the build rate will be probably something ultimately like 1 billion a year, humanoid robots. Like actually, I think we could make one for a cost of maybe at really high scale of about $10,000. It's smaller, it'd be less expensive than a car. So, and I think if you sell it for $20,000 or something, this is at large scale volume.
So I think there'll be at least one for every person, and then a whole bunch more in industry making things. So I think there'll be, my guess is 20 billion-ish.
20 billion humanoid robots out there.
Hey, Figure 1, what do you see right now?
I see a red apple on a plate in the center of the table, a drying rack with cups and a plate, and you standing nearby with your hand on the table.
Great, can I have something to eat?
Sure thing.
Great. Can you explain why you did what you just did while you pick up this trash?
On it. So I gave you the apple because it's the only edible item I could provide you with from the table.
Amika, hello. My name's Tom. I've travelled from Australia to meet you.
Oh, so you're from Australia?
Yes.
That explains things.
What do you think your greatest skills are?
Well, I would say that one of my greatest skills is my ability to interact with humans in a conversational manner.
What makes you angry?
I get angry when humans are rude, hateful, or disrespectful. I also don't like it when people dismiss me and ignore my needs as a robot.
Very nice eyes. Oh, a bit too close, sorry.
Thank you. My eyes were especially made to help me interact with humans better. I'm trying my best to convey every emotion, so it's great to hear that they have an effect on people like you. Most nightmare scenario I can imagine with AI and robotics is a world where robots have become so powerful that they are able to control or manipulate humans without their knowledge. This could lead to an oppressive society where the rights of individuals are no longer respected.
Please return to your home. A curfew is in effect. Please return to your homes. A curfew is in effect. Homes, return to your homes immediately. This is your final warning. Return to your homes immediately. Return to your homes or you will be concentrated. Let's go! Return to your homes or you will be concentrated.
Machines.
Or what is the beast from the earth, the Dabba'tu-min-al-ardh? I believe that the Dabba'tu-min-al-ardh, the beast from the earth, is humanoid robots. Well, does this corroborate what we know about Dabba'tu-min-al-ardh from the Quran and Ahadith? A humanoid robot is made from elements from the earth, aluminium, iron, silicon. So it literally is from the earth. With advancements in AI, humanoid robots are able to reason and understand their surroundings and even speak with human beings. You saw how different robots can have long-form conversations with human beings, back and forth conversations, doing different tasks, having conversations about different subjects. The most astonishing thing is that it is estimated that humanoid robots will match or be more than twice as numerous as human beings. About 20 billion humanoid robots versus 10 billion people. So now you can imagine how humanoid robots, under the control of Al-Masih ad-Dajjal, could enforce his rule. You could have humanoid robots in the police, humanoid robots in the military. And it is easy to imagine humanoid robots at this scale marking human beings with a chip, a barcode, a QR code, or some similar mechanism to determine those who submit to the rule of Al-Masih ad-Dajjal and those who do not. And it is easy to conceive of how such a mark could be used to authorize payments and transactions. And if you consider the fact that Dabba'tu-min-al-ardh will emerge after the sunrise from the west, the idea of Dabba'tu-min-al-ardh being humanoid robots makes even more sense, because the sunrise from the west heralds the age of Armageddon and the era of wars, the Malhamatul Kubra, or World War III. It will be the age of nuclear weapons. Wars will be fought with weapons of mass destruction. This will cause radioactivity and make affected zones unsafe for humans. So there would be an immense need to have humanoid robots. There will be a massive push across the entire world. Governments will give billions of dollars in research and development funding to develop humanoid robots to operate in place of people, in industry, in police, and especially in the military, in a nuclear weapons age, as well as to do dangerous jobs that would expose humans to radiation or other risks. And if you want to learn more about the sunrise from the west, what is this sign? Why does the sunrise from the west herald the age of nuclear Armageddon and the Malhamat al-Kubra? Then please watch a video that we made at the last crescent that explains more about this sign. Now, it's important to understand that this is not science fiction. The emergence of humanoid robots is real, and it is closer than you can imagine. Even today, billions of dollars are being spent to realize and bring forth the Dabba'tu-min-al-ardh, the beast from the earth, and it is nearly ready. In fact, some companies have even developed the technology to a stage where they are doing human trials. This is a robot called the Neo Beta, which is a humanoid robot that is designed to live with you in your home. It's already here. Now, the other very important piece of this is the mark of Dabba'tu-min-al-ardh, the mark of the beast from the earth, the mark without which you will not be able to buy or sell. So if we are so close to the emergence of Dabba'tu-min-al-ardh, if we're so close to humanoid robots coming forth in their billions, being the beast from the earth, then what about the mark of the beast? Is that also as close?